This training video will show you how to add two devices to your translator. I have already read the details of my translator. This can be seen by the icon of the description being in bold. I now want to add two devices. So if I right click on the word translator and choose the option add child device, a list of devices available to me is now shown. I want to add a smoke, so if I highlight smoke detector, I only want to add one, so I keep my quantity as 1 and click add. Here is a properties page of all the details that can be changed in the smoke detector. These will be covered in a later video, so for now I'm just going to click OK and accept all the defaults. I now want to add my call point, so if I right click on translator, add child device and choose call point. Again, I'm only going to add one, click add. And again, here is the properties of that call point. I'm going to accept the default, so choose add. I now have two devices in the software. I now need to inform the translator about these devices. Right click on the word translator and choose program translator. The translator is now being programmed with these devices. Once that is completed, successful programming will be shown. Click OK. I now need to learn these devices onto the translator. To do this, you have to right click on your device. I'm going to do the smoke detector first. So right click on the smoke detector and choose the option local programming, and you have two more options, program device or delete device. I'm going to program the device, so highlight program device and click. The translator is now searching for a device to learn on. So you get your smoke detector, make sure your secondary battery is already in it and flick the switch to the on position. Put your primary cell in and you will get 4 red flashes of the LED. Once you have 4 red flashes, switch the switch to the 1 position and you will get 2 green flashes and successful programming on the translator. Click OK. I now want to program on my call point. So right click on call point, again choose local programming and program child device and click. Again, the translator is now searching for a call point. So get your call point, make sure your secondary battery is already in and flick the switch to the on position. Put your primary cell in and you will get 4 red flashes of the LED. Switch the switch back to the 1 position, you will get 2 green flashes and successful programming. Click OK. Okay, you can see that the devices have been successfully programmed on because the prog column now shows a plus sign. Once we have programmed on our devices, we need to reconfirm everything we have just done. So right click on translator and choose program translator again. Once that is completed, click OK. On the translator now, we have a message in the LCD display LOER. We need to perform a load function. So using the buttons on the translator, press down until it says RF, press right, it will say EHP, press right again and it will say sys, press up, it will say load, press right, it will say conf, which means confirm, and press right again and it will say done. Then press left until the screen is blank.